rather than go out and buy some, I decided to make my own. I'm starting here. I chopped up some Italian dry salami and some Roma tomatoes. What's missing is my cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. I have some red bell pepper. You can use whatever color bell pepper you want. I just happen to have some red one. Some red onions. I'm not using all these onions, just half of this. My black olives, a little green onion, and some cucumbers. And of course the rotini pasta, which is boiled and is cooled down. You can have it al dente or whatever texture you want. And of course my Italian dressing, or you can make your own dressing. So what I'm going to do now is add my cucumbers. Get that in there. Add in the onions, the green onions. I'm trying to do this with one hand, you all. I'm going to use a little bit of onion, sprinkle some of that in there. Not too much. That's enough. My red bell pepper. My tomatoes. Let's get it all out. Oops, excuse me, using my hands. And then I'm going to add my Italian salami. I'm using my hands because I'm the one that's eating it. So, put that in there. I guess I should have put this on a stand, that way I could be hands-free. Okay, then I'm going to add my black olives. And then I'm going to stir it together, mix it up. Look how colorful this looks. So I'm just mixing everything together. Then once I do that, I'll come back and add my dressing and mix it up some more. And then I'll have some pasta salad. I just wish I had gotten the grape and cherry tomatoes and some cheese to top this off, but this is okay. Nice little snack. Like I said, you can add whatever you want to this. You want to add some spinach, which I probably should. I'm just trying to get all my veggies. And season it with some parsley and basil. Now I'm going to add my Italian dressing so I can get it open with one hand. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze that in it. I have another ball I need to open up, but